Hello guys, good morning, good Friday morning guys. For today's video guys, welcome for this wonderful morning.
Wonderful morning.
Ito guys, ito yung mga masisipag. Operation cleaning tayo ngayon guys. Ito na, sibay guys, sibay guys. Guys, sibay oh, napakasipag guys. At saka shout out daw sa inyo mga guys. Ito din guys, si Osama Bin Laden guys, ito. Galing ano pa yan guys? Import yan guys, import galing yang Mulabi, Zamboanga del Sur guys. At saka ito guys oh. Yan mga masisipag na pahinanti at saka driver guys. Ito yung pahinanti naming pogi guys, bagong gupit. Yan. Shout out po sa iyo bayaw, shout out. Yan. Yan, shout out. Kaway-kaway naman diyan, kaway-kaway. Yan. Ano mga tirada guys. So ito pa. Ito yung pahinanti ko guys. Ayan, shout out guys. Yan. Ang pogi kong pahinanti guys. Yan. Oh. Yan. Shout out. Operation cleaning tayo ngayon guys. Operation cleaning guys. Operation cleaning para bukas pag-uwi. Yan, shout out po sa inyo. Ayan guys. Good morning. Oh, ayan. Don't forget to follow, like and share guys for today's video. Ayan guys.